Welcome to the student of class 8. How are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Allah the Almighty. Dear learners, this presentation is made for class 8 conducted by Muhammad Tauhidul Islam Mia, Teacher English, Dupchachia Government Pilot Model High School, Dupchachia Bogura. Dear learners, be attentive to the class. Look at the picture. Tarek, a boy. An apple. So a sentence. Tarek eats an apple. Is a sentence. And the next sentence. An apple is eaten by Tarek. Notice, I say my prayer regularly. I subject, say verb, my prayer object, regularly extension. The next sentence, my prayer is said by me regularly. Look at the sentence. Can you say what is it related to? Voice change. Dear learners, our today's lesson is on the voice change. Let's discuss about voice change in our today's class. At first, we will know what is voice. Look at the screen. Who is he? Neymar. And what is it? It's a ball. So what would be the sentence? Neymar plays football. Notice the next sentence. Football is played by Neymar. Notice the mark words. Plays is played. Plays, a kind of voice, that is form of verbs, and another form of verb is played. And we have to think about the difference between the two. Dear learners, plays, this form active, is played, this form passive. So what is the definition? Voice is a formation of verb where we subject does something itself or something is done by subject. Notice. So voice is classified into two kinds. Active voice, passive voice. Active voice when the subject does something itself. Passive voice when something is done by the subjects. Dear learners, we have to know more about the voice because it is in the JSC syllabus. So, to develop your skill, we have to practice on the topic. How we can change a sentence from active to passive. First, we have to know the structure of active voice. So, the structure, notice, and if you can note down on your khata. subject plus verb transitive plus object, that is structure of active voice. As for example, he reads a book, he subject, reads verb, a book, object. Notice passive voice, subject of object plus auxiliary verb plus verb 3 plus preposition by or to or for plus object of subject. This is the structure of passive voice. If you follow this structure, you will be able to solve the problem. That means you will be able to change a sentence from active to passive. So this structure is very important. I think all of you will note down the structure on your khata. Notice, he reads the book, subject, verb, object. Passive form, the book is read by me, him. The book, object. This sentence is in present indefinite, so the auxiliary verb is each. Verb 3 of the verb from read by preposition from he to him. Subject he, object him. And you should now, you should know how we can change a subject into object. Notice, it is mentionable that you should memorize some verb 3 from your grammar book. Without the form of verb 3, that is past participle, it is not possible to change a sentence from active to passive. Dear learners, how we can change a subject into object? Notice the list of some subject and their objects. This is very important table. I hope all of you will jot down on your khata. Subject, object, I, me, we, us, you, they, them, he, him, she, her, Rahim, Karim, the pen, animals. In this way. Dear learners, we have noticed that there is a change in passive voice, the use of auxiliary verb of different tenses. Dear learners, next we will see a chart or table. This is very important for you. I hope all of you will note down the table or chart on your khata for your better understanding. Notice auxiliary verbs of passive forms of voice. If the active voice is present indefinite tense, that is tense 1, auxiliary of passive voice will be am, is, are. Am, I plus am is any singular number, especially third person singular number. Are for the plural form of nouns or subjects. In this way, present continuous, am being, is being, are being. Present perfect, have been, has been. Present perfect continuous tense, have been, being, has been, being. Past indefinite tense, was, were. Past continuous tense, was being, were being. Past perfect tense, had been. Past perfect continuous tense, had been, being. Future indefinite tense, shall be, will be. Future continuous tense, shall be, being, will be, being. Future perfect tense, shall have been, will have been. Future perfect continuous tense, shall have been being, will have been being. More for the modal verb, that modal verb can, could, may, might, should, used to, must, may, etc. And for the change form can be, should be, must be, may be, etc. So these are the main change form of voice of different tenses. So this structure or the table is very important for you. If you follow this table, I hope all of you will be able to change any assertive, any sentence from active to passive. Dear learners, we are going to the next slides. Active to passive, assertive sentence. He pulls a rickshaw. So what would be the answer? A rickshaw is pulled by him. We should respect a rickshaw puller. That is the use of modal, should, here should, modal. So the answer would be a rickshaw puller should be respected by us. Notice the mark word. Pulls is pulled, should respect, should be respected. Active, passive. Active should respect, passive should be respected. If you follow this, I hope all of you will be able to change any type of sentence from active to passive using modal verbs. Here is a sentence, a fisherman is catching fish, make it passive. Answer, fish is being caught by the fisherman. Here object fish, present continuous tense auxiliary verb is catching, being, in, being for in, catch, caught, preposition by, the fisherman of by subject. Look at the marking word. Dear learners, I hope all of you will write down the sentence on your khata and try to change the sentence from active to passive. Number 1, I visited the Niagara waterfall last year. Number 2, Asif takes tea regularly. Number 3, Riti made a kite. Number 4, Rose is cooking rice. Number 5, Titi has rented a car. Number 6, I shall build a house next year. Number 7, my friend invited me to his birthday party. Dear learners, let's us know about the voice change of double object. You will find some sentence with double object. How we can change from active to passive? As for example, a sentence with double object. He teaches us English. Us subject, where object is English object. Us direct, English indirect. How we can change it? Notice the structure. This is the double object, us English. Us indirect object, direct object English. You can use any object as the passive. You can use us or English, any. Teaches us English. We are taught English by him. Or English is taught by us. English is taught us by him. Both sentences are correct form of passive of the subject. He teaches us English. Understand? I hope all of you have understood it. So, notice it. Notice it, structure. Dear learners, I hope all of you will note down the sentence on your khata, and you will all of you will take the works as homework. Sentence number 1, he gave me a book, me object, indirect, a book direct. In this way, I taught him a lesson. They feed me fruit. We made him captain. She informed me this. I hope all of you will do the work at home and show me in the next class. Okay? I wish all of your success. Thanks a lot to you all. See you again. Bye.